Hi there, it's Kai from Top Gear Garage. Just got this Mini Cooper in. It's a 1.5 Sport petrol automatic, but it's not your normal Sport. It's finished with the John Cooper Works body kit, wheels and interior trim, which I'll show you. It's obviously a factory dealer optional spec, which is nice. Just sets it apart from all the other Minis. So you get the performance looks, obviously, without the performance costs, running costs, etc. So just a quick walk around video. We literally just got it in, so the wheels need refurbing, which we will do, but on the whole it's a very clean car, obviously finished in grey with the black accents, which is nice. Factory tinted rear windows. It's a woman who previously owned it, so it's genuine low miles, only done 36,000 miles, drives nice. A good run back up to us and drove faultlessly. And down the driver's side. Again, nice and clean. And same story with the interior as well. So as you can see, obviously John Cooper Works on the steering wheel, it's a bit dark. Obviously John Cooper Works seats, so kind of like bucket style seats. So they are heated, half leather, half Alcantara as well. Still has the stickers on the side trims, which is nice. Yeah, decent spec for a little Mini. Obviously cruise control as well, Bluetooth phone, automatic lights, electric windows, electric mirrors. 3-door obviously as well. Again, it's quite hard to tell, it's quite dark, I don't think you can really tell. The pictures are better. Go to the boot. So just an ideal little first car, little run around. Does have bases for next base dash cams as well, so they can be plugged in. Obviously, passenger side front seat held up well. Alcantara's in nice shapes, nice and clean. Again, I can't really tell. Yeah, it's just a nice, clean car. Like I said, it's only a 1.5 petrol. So it does have 2 keys as well. Just start it up. So obviously, start, stop, switch in the bottom. Fire straight up. Obviously 36,000 miles, genuine mileage, backed up with the service history. No warning lights on the dash. So if I just run through everything. Obviously main things, vehicle status. Check control, no faults found in the system. Service requirements all up to date. I believe it was serviced like 1,000 miles ago. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So well, 4 technically on the iDrive and wheel service it as well. Heated seats, climate control, dual zone, obviously automatic. Everything's there as it should. Like I said, nice well spec Mini. You can change all the lighting on it and things like that. Sat nav, Bluetooth phone, does have Apple CarPlay. Bluetooth phone and music, DAB radio, obviously mentioned cruise, steering wheel mountain controls, automatic lights, automatic wipers, automatic dimming mirror, BMW Mini SOS. Like I said, you can change the interior lighting as well, which is obviously making them a bit more individual. But yeah, it's quite hard to tell in the pictures, but it is a very, very clean car. Like I said, obviously 1.5 petrol, so cheap on insurance, cheap to run, ideal first car, automatic. Or just someone who wants a good few years of hassle-free motoring. Finance is available. If it's not got more than 8 months MOT, we'll put a full MOT on it. We make sure the cars are right. Obviously, this is a nice little gem with the factory-fitted John Cooper Works kit on, so makes it look a bit more sporty than what it is. But yeah, any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Yeah, thanks for watching.